Suppose I cried and said I think I finally learned my lesson, and I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realized you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far away, would you tell me that you love me too? Would we cry together, or would you simply laugh at me and say, I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. Would you get down on yours too and take my hand? Would we get that old time feeling? Would we laugh and talk for hours? The way we did when our love first began. Would you tell me that you miss me too, and that you've been so lonely, and you're waiting for the day that I return, and we live in love forever, and that I'm your one and only? And will you say the tables finally turn? Would you say I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. Would you say I told you so? But you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again.
Wow, well done, Ellie. Anya, did she do what you wanted her to do?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me too. You are?
Yes, and more. Wow. I literally, right from the start, I was like, right, the first theme, I really want to give them a tough one. And let's be honest, it was a really hard theme. You had to go out, find a song from the year you were born, learn all the lyrics, and then put your own twist on it, and you have nailed it. The second you started singing, I started smiling. I was like, oh, see, look at that. It was absolutely beautiful. I can't say anything than that. I'm a bit speechless. I wrote down what I could, and then I just kind of stared at you and enjoyed it. But your lower notes, they were so controlled, so beautiful, and your belt, I mean, I haven't heard you belt that high before. I knew you had more, I knew it. I can't wait to see you stand to, like, get used to the stage and owning everything. You're a little star. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think?
Firstly, I can't stand because the floor is too slippery, but I would have if I could have. So if I don't stand to everybody, that's the reason why. But I thought that was such a perfect song choice for you. You sang it so beautifully. There were moments in it where I just thought, oh my God, I'm going to cry, because your voice moved me that much. It was, your voice is just so natural, and it was lovely to hear something that we haven't heard from you before, which was just you pushing that vocal. And I agree with Anya, I think that there's so much more in you that you've got to give, but that was just, I would listen to that over and over and over again. I think that performance was absolutely perfect for you. Beautiful. Well done.
Ellie, I was rather excited about this because obviously the minute I heard you singing this, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. And the fact that you've been given a theme that is from the year you was born, and you came on stage, and obviously for me personally, when I shut my eyes in this specific performance, I felt like you was a lot older, you know, because of the sound, the soulness in your voice that came through. And again, like, I want to shout out, you're the youngest in your category, I believe, and I still can't believe you're 12, to be honest with you, because you do look older than 12, don't you? And do you know what? And vocally, you sounded a lot older than 12. You sounded so mature. And you did, when I said to you in rehearsals, to, even though it's hard for you because you're young and you haven't really experienced life and that yet, put that little bit of feeling, you know, fake it until you make it sort of in your voice. And that came through a lot tonight, it really did. It sounded like you had felt every single detail of that lyric. It was beautiful. You should be so impressed with what you've done tonight, because that was a shining moment for me for you. So, well done. Well done.